Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India. Today we will discuss about the mature Indian AIP system ready to be integrated with Kalvari class submarines. In a major boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of the government, the fuel cell-based air-independent propulsion system of the Defence Research and Development Organisation is ready to be fitted on board INS Kalvari during her first refit. In an exclusive conversation with the Press Secretary, Department of Defence R&D and Chairman of DRDO Dr. G. Satish Reddy said, when Kalvari comes up for retrofitting in 2025, it will be fitted with the indigenous AIP which has been made in India. The AIP which is being developed here in India is based on the specifications and requirements shared by the end user, the Indian Navy. There are industry partners including L&T and Thermax, and the Naval Materials Research Laboratory who develops it. Provisions are there in the Kalvari class submarine of the Indian Navy to be retrofitted with indigenous AIP system in the latter stage. AIP technology has been developed by France, Spain, Germany and India to be integrated in SSK type submarine. The Naval Materials Research Laboratory of Indian Defence Research and Development Organisation in collaboration with Larsen & Toubro and Thermax has developed a 270 kW phosphoric acid fuel cell (PAFC) to power the Kalvari class submarines. It produces electricity by reacting with hydrogen generated from sodium borohydride and stored oxygen with phosphoric acid acting as an electrolyte. Fuel cell technology-based AIP generates power through the reverse electrolysis of oxygen and hydrogen. In this process, the two elements chemically combine, thereby generating electricity to charge the submarine's batteries. This process does not need air, but requires storage of highly inflammable hydrogen on board. However, DRDO's AIP system, which relies on the innovative phosphoric acid fuel cell technology. In Indian system, hydrogen does not stored in the container but derived from sodium borohydride by adding a catalyst and water into it. The generation of hydrogen is controlled by addition of water into it. Hence, the endurance of Indian AIP system is depend upon the storage of sodium borohydride in the ship, negating the storing of highly inflammable hydrogen system in the ship. The DRDO developed AIP system is safest among all and more efficient compared to other system. Having tested its AIP on a land-based prototype, LBP, the DRDO along with other industry partners has developed a mature, marinized version, AIP system, which can fit into an actual submarine and operate underwater in live conditions. The other type of AIP in service is a relatively untried, like DCNS developed fuel cell-based AIP, Spain developed Stirling engine-based AIP, Siemens PEM fuel cell-based system and French DCNS MIS-MA AIP system for old submarines. The Indian Navy had the option to fit the MESMA AIP systems into the 6 Scorpion submarines under Project 75. However, considering the efficiency of MESMA system and involvement of turbines in the AIP which would compromise the location of submarine, the Indian Navy decided against it and put faith in indigenous developed AIP system. The DRDO AIP system will allow Indian Navy submarines to operate for up to 2 weeks without having to surface to recharge its batteries, making it more elusive and deadly for the enemy. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.